Hello guys, today we are doing a bus spotting video. I've got some London buses here. Yeah, apparently that's what it's called. Bus Stop Limited. That's what that is. Wheels are massive. Oh shit, fucking scared me. Yeah, this one is an Enviro 400 made by Alexander Dennis. It's my favourite, why not? That's where it is. That's the interior for you. That's to open the door. That is also to open the door there. It's like a London bus basically. It's nice. Very nice. The fleet number is 114, so yeah. Over there we've also got another Volvo. Oh shit. This is, I think, the Volvo B90L. This is beautiful. This is. The Isle of Sheppey, apparently. They're based. Their phone number is their fax number is that in there. If we go to here, it's just nice in general. Here we have another Enviro 400 of the Bus Stop Limited. It's nice actually. Enviro 400, there's the doors. There's the doors. I love buses.
Hello!
And then one more picture of the bus. It's just nice, this bus. I love it. Look at that interior. It's superb. Guys, here we have two class 465s. We've got a 465 928, 465 049.
Outside the station for 15.
Yeah. Here we go. Guys, here we have a class 700 038. It's going to Kentish Town. So yeah.
The 1557 South Street service to London Park.
Oh shit. Yeah.
I'm trying to... Guys, we're getting on this 375. Oh shit. Yeah. mate. And then I love Trainspotting. Why not? Yeah. Ooh. Here we have a 375-906 connected to a 375-710. Nice interior, I will say. But Jesus Christ. Now we're going to take you to open these set of doors. And then close them. This is Southeastern. Why not? A lovely day, even though it's been fucking raining. Today's been. There's the only reason you can see this terminating here because of rail replacement. They're doing. I think they're doing works on the railway track. So yeah. Oh, jeez. Guys, it looks kind of beautiful. How do I say this? No one on this coach. Here's a Thames link, and then to load it. There you go. And then that is how you walk. This is how you walk through the whole train. If it was a 12 coach, it would have the end of the train would have been down there. So yeah, 375-906, and then it's connected to a 375-710. Which one do you like better, Southeastern or Thameslink? Put it in the comments below. And what do you think's better type of train? Type of train? Class 375 or class 700? Which one do you think's better? I think the 375 is better, so yeah. And it's going, this class 700's going from Gillingham, where we are now, all the way to Kentish Town. And this is leaving at 57 minutes past 3, and it's going from here to Victoria. So yeah, hope you have a good one. Guys, that's one thing I didn't even know. I thought they were just things to let air in. Turns out there are actually cameras on the outside. So yeah. Guys, this interior is nice. And then just to do that. Here's a class 700. Here, a class 375. Guys, here is the whole London and South East rail services. Yeah, it goes everywhere, so yeah. That's how. There if it gets bloody clearer. 375906 and 375710. Here we have a class 375710 with connected to a 375906 departing Gillingham platform 2 for London Victoria. Here we go. Guys, this is a class 700 Thameslink going to Kentish Town, so yeah. Go on. Go! Hurry up, stupid train. Jesus. What the fuck's this? Fucking gun. What? I love Trainspotting. Guys, here we have two 395s together. That's how that's all the mechanical bits. And then it's 395029 on this one, and then 395014. Oh, it's 10. It's fucking 12.
Train arriving on platform 1, sorry, platform 2. Delay running 1610 Victoria service. Once again, train arriving on platform 2, delay running 1610 Victoria service. Platform 4, maintaining the discharge door station in that area, the train is on platform 1.
Then that's easy. What the fuck? Ew. What do you think's better, the class 395 Javelin or this class 465? I'm trying to film a train because I've got a YouTube channel.
What happens?
Let's say I was running down here to get this from the start to the back of it, and they're saying just don't run on the platform because it's not like a playground. But if I want to spot this, let me.
Like, if you are on the edge, so definitely they will ask you to stand back.
Is this the one?
I'm trying to film the fucking train out of the railway station. I'm trying to... Fuck off. And...